So today we are going to go over how can we simplify or how can we do the math in order and what order do we need to follow in order for us to get the right answer, okay? So we call this order of operation, or in other words, you probably have heard BEDMAS before, okay? And you've heard me say it too many times. So when calculating expression, you must follow the order of operation, okay? And the order of operation, the acronym for it is BEDMAS, and it stands for brackets, exponents, division and multiplication. With regards to division and multiplication, you have to see which one appears first in your equation from left to right. And then same as with addition and subtraction, whatever appears first from left to right, okay? So the first thing you want to do, if you have brackets inside the bracket, so let's say 2 times 3, you must finish that first. You must do that operation first, okay? Then if you have an exponent, then you do that next. And then division, multiplication, whatever appears first, followed by addition, subtraction. So let's look at an example here. So the question that they're asking you, have you guys ever seen these questions that go on like Facebook and Instagram, and they send you a question and they're like, no one will get the right answer, and then it's order of operation. Have you guys seen these? So basically they're order of operation. A lot of people can't do it properly. So we're going to prove them wrong in this case. We're going to learn how to do this. So the question is 3 plus 6 times 2 minus 8 equal to 7 or 10? So what do I do first? Yep.
I believe you have to do the multiplication first.
I have to do the multiplication first, right? Because I have the 6 times the 2. I don't have any brackets and I don't have any exponents, so I have to skip these, okay? So what comes next is the multiplication, and I have to do that first. So that's going to be 3 plus 12 minus 8. Yes? Okay? Now, in order to find my final answer, now I can do 3 plus 12, and then I'm going to take away 8. 3 plus 12 is 15. Take away 8, so the answer is 7. Okay? Now, what happens if you actually did not follow BEDMAS? So if you went and did 3 plus 6, 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Take away 8 is 10. Is that right? No. The answer is 7. That's the correct answer. Okay? So me following BEDMAS tells me that the first thing I have to do is multiplication, which is 6 times 2 first.
6 times 2.
Okay? Are you guys okay with that? All right. Now, how about B? How do you do that? That's right. So in this case, because the division is all over the 11 plus 7, okay? So in this case, you're going to have to pretend that you have brackets for these, okay? And then you're going to have to find the value of your numerator first, and then find the value of your denominator, and then do your division, okay? So in this case, I have to do 11 plus 7, which is 18, over 6. And that's going to be 3.
So that's not division, is it?
Yes, 18 over 6, that's division.
Oh, yeah, because it's a minus and 2 is a 3. Yeah.
So 18 over 6, that's the same thing as doing 18 divided by 6.
There's no minus there anymore?
Where is the minus? So what I did is 11 plus 7 gives me 18.
Yeah.
And 9 minus 3 gives me 6. Okay?
So is that a minus 6?
That's an equal. Are you guys okay with that? All right. let's look at this example. So I'm going to read it to you, and then you're going to tell me, where do I have to start? So 5 plus 12 times 8 plus 30 divided by 6 plus 8 minus 5. I have no brackets, right? Do I have any exponents? No. So I skip these two for now. Now what do I have to do first? Now remember, and that's why I'm asking you this question, okay? Remember that when it comes to division and multiplication, you're going to have to do whatever appears first. So if I look at this, what appears first, multiplication or division? So I have to do my multiplication first, okay? So that's going to be 5 plus, what's 12 times 8? 96. Plus 30 divided by 6 plus 8 minus 5. So you see, the only thing I did right now is I did 12 times 8, and that gave me 96. Are you guys okay with this? Sure. Then, what else do I have to do? The division, right? Because you see that whatever I have left here is either addition, subtraction, or division, okay? So division comes before the addition subtraction. So I have to do 30 divided by 6. What's 30 divided by 6? 5. Right? 30 divided by 6, that is 5. Okay? Now, I just have to add and subtract. Okay? So you see that I have 5 plus 96, that's 101. Add 5, that's 106. Take away 8, that's 98. Sorry, add 8, sorry. 106. Add 8, that's 114. Take away 5, that's 109. Is that right? So you can do that on the calculator, okay?
I have
So,
a question.
yeah.
How is 30 divided by 6?
So if you have, what do you multiply by 6 to give you 30?
You multiply 5.
Yeah. So when you divide 30 by 6, that gives you 5.
You can do that thing.
Okay. So for this part, if you don't want to do it in your head, you can always enter it in the calculator as 5 plus 96 plus 5 plus 8 minus 5. And the answer is 109. Try the next one. Let's see what you guys can do.